Hi friends, my name is Christine and I'm going to show you how to get a sleek, voluminous blowout using the Shark HyperAIR with the IQ styling brush attachment. So my hair is slightly damp, I towel dried it earlier, and this is going to be best for how we're about to style it. So first we want to make sure that we are using the IQ brush attachment and attaching it to the Shark HyperAIR. Once the attachment is on, you can actually use this button on the side to rotate the brush head however angle you'd like it. So first thing we want to do is loose dry our hair. Since my hair is still pretty damp, I want to get it about 80 to 90% dry. If you want to apply any hair product to your hair, you can go ahead and do so. I actually applied a little bit of heat protectant. First, we want to go ahead and turn it on. The settings are automatically set depending on what attachment you have on. So I'm just going to leave the settings as is, but if you want to adjust the options, you can go ahead and manually do so. I love this attachment because it actually helps to detangle my hair while drying it. So I feel like it's a great two-in-one. It makes this whole process super easy. Next, we want to add some volume to our hair. As you can see, most of my hair is dry, but we want to add a lot of that volume so we get that impact. I'm going to go ahead and section off part of my hair so we can work through my hair section by section. You want to start at the crown of your head and use an upwards motion just like that. And by using these motions, we really can build that volume in our hair. It helps to lift the hair from the roots. I'm using a rounding motion with the brush so I can get those rounded ends at the bottom of my hair, and that just helps to add a little bit of a curl to the bottom of my hair. It makes it look more like a soft blowout. While I'm styling my hair as well, there is a cool shot button right here. Using this will allow you to really set the shape of your hair. So if you wanted to add a little bit of shape and volume, but also make sure that it lasts all day, you definitely want to make sure that you're utilizing this cool shot button. So just like that, you can see my hair has so much more volume already. Finally, now that my hair is styled the way that I want it to, I'm just gonna make sure that I tame any flyaways. I'm gonna use this cool shot button once again, and I'm gonna brush along the outside of my hair using the cool air, and that way it just really helps to set the hair, sets everything in place, and it also tames the flyaways as well. And just like that, I have a smooth, sleek, shiny looking blowout, all from the comfort of my home. This only took me a couple of minutes and it is so easy to do, and I love that we have everything that we need all in one tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, but if you want more, check out sharkbeauty.com for additional tips, tricks, and inspiration, and shop additional HyperAIR IQ stylers.